Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. So today's video, as you can tell from the title, is going to be a Telfar unboxing. I am so excited about this bag. So before I get into this video, definitely make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, as well as subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for commenting, subscribing, liking, and just being great human beings. I appreciate it so much. So thank you for all of the love that you've shown my channel, and let me know of any video requests. I am trying to diversify the content on my channel. I'm still going to be doing a lot of perfume videos, but just trying to incorporate different types of content. So, you know, from fashion to unboxings to perfumes to vlogs, just so many different things. So if you have any requests, definitely let me know in the comment section down below. But today's video, I'm so excited about this. So as you all know, Telfar is really big and popping, and almost impossible to get your hands on, because it sells out within like 2 seconds. At least that's what it feels like. So I think the best way to get this bag, especially if you are international and you are not based in the US, is probably through their security, what do they call it, the security bag program, something like that. I think it's like a security bag program where you basically can guarantee yourself a bag and you can buy as many as you want. The only thing is that it takes like months to ship to you. So if you are patient enough that you can wait, you know, however months it takes to get to you, then I think it's best to wait for their security program to purchase these bags, because the resale price is astronomical. I don't think I would ever pay more the resale price. I will only pay the amount that it's worth and how much they're selling it for. And so when I found out about the security program, it literally just came up on me, and they literally do like a countdown on their website, and I was like, okay, I have to get this bag now, because if I don't get it, I'm going to regret it. And so I did end up picking it up, and I'm super excited. Sorry, I keep touching my hair, but I am super excited about it. So yeah, let me stop talking and unbox it. So it came in like a flat box, and then it came packaged like so, and so it's come in a Ziploc. Oh, and then it came with, what is this? Oh, so just my shipping details, and yeah, the bag, the security program, that's what it's called. So I got the medium black, and so I know I've gone for a really boring color, but I felt at the time I bought this, when did I make this purchase? April. I purchased this bag in April, and I've only just, well, I actually received it maybe like 2-3 weeks ago, but I just have had it just sitting around. So I've ordered it quite a while ago, and it shipped in June. Yeah, it shipped in June. So as you can tell, it took some time. And I went for black because at the time I was thinking, do you know what? I was manifesting that hopefully I would have moved on to a different job by then, and then this could be like the perfect work bag. Now I literally just unboxed the Marc Jacobs small tote bag, which is probably going to be my work bag as well. So I'm going to have these two as my work bags and just kind of change them just here and there. So back to the bag. So it comes in this duster, and then this is what the bag looks like. I'm sure you all know what it looks like, but oh, it's the wrong way. It's this way. Oh, how stunning is that? I'm obsessed. I love it so much. Of course I picked up the medium and black, as you can see, but I felt like black, you can't go wrong with it. In fact, I was overwhelmed because they have like 1,000,001 different colors, and I was like, I don't know what color to go for. So black, if you're struggling with a color to go for, just go for black. You can't go wrong with it. You will never be disappointed with it, and it goes with everything. So, and if you're using it as a work bag, then you don't want something that's too kind of loud and flashy. So I really love this. Obviously you can see the classic logo, and Oh my god, I'm so excited about this. Okay, so let me take this out of. What I am nervous about is I've had a 100% vegan bag before. It was from Matt and Nat, if you've heard of them. The worst bag ever. It literally just did not hold up. It was fraying from where I was holding the bag. I had a backpack and it had like a small handle which I would sometimes hold, and it was fraying and the leather was peeling. And so when it comes to 100% vegan bags, I get really, really nervous because I'm like, I need you to hold up and do what you're supposed to do. So I'm a bit nervous about this being a 100% vegan brand, just because vegan leather, just because I've had bad experience with vegan leather bags. But this is just what the inside looks like. Literally just one big gaping hole, and then there's a zip. As you can see, there's a zip there, and then there's a Telfar logo, and it's just one big bag. And so for this, I don't think I'm going to need an organizer because it looks like it's going to hold its shape quite well. And so I'm most probably going to hold it with the short handles like this, or just holding it like this, because the strap is really odd. It's so long and it's not adjustable. So like I find it, what is that? I find it really awkward, the strap. Like if I move back a bit, you can see it's a super long strap, and so I feel like if I had it like this across my body, it's just way too long. So I'm most likely just gonna wear it like so. And then I do have a bag organizer which I use for my Marc Jacobs small tote bag, which I could possibly use in this. Actually, let me go and grab it and put it in there and see if it works. So this is my organizer from Amazon. It just looks like so, nothing spectacular. I will leave a link to it in the description box down below. It's in the size medium. And let me see, it will most likely fit, and there's probably going to be some space in here too, which is great. Okay. Yeah, fits perfect, and there's space on the side so I can fit like a water bottle, and it's super cute. I'm really happy with that. Really, really excited. I think this will be so cool and like so cute with my little work outfits. I don't dress up to work. I'm somebody that literally wears like Jordan 1s and jeans to work. I don't dress up because there's no need to. I don't deal with any clients, so I think this is going to be super cute. I think the only thing I don't like is this long strap, but I will work with it. And I will say as well that I feel like the size difference between this and small is like drastic. I feel like there needs to be a size in between, like a medium or something like that, because the small is literally tiny. It's so small, and then the medium is huge. So it's like there's no, it's really hard because I feel like there needs to be like a size in between the small and the medium, just for those people that don't want this bag that feel like this bag is too large and feel like the small is just too small. But that's my thoughts. I'm obsessed with it. I think it's so cute. Let me know if you want me to do like what's inside my work bag. I know that's like an old school kind of video, but I am obsessed with it. And if I compare it to my Marc Jacobs tote bag, you can see the difference. If I move back, the difference in size. So obviously the Telfar is a lot bigger than my Marc Jacobs tote. But yeah, that's all for Telfar. Oh, I forgot to mention costs. So for my international people, the bag retailed for $202 and then I had to pay $78 shipping. That's a lot of money for shipping, and I'm somebody that I will not spend one single penny on shipping. But then it came up to $280 US, but then once converted into pounds, it actually wasn't that bad, to be honest, because obviously the exchange rate. So how much did I end up spending? I'm gonna check my bank statement and leave it on the video on the screen right here, but once converted into British pounds, it wasn't too bad. But just bear in mind that shipping was $78 and I'm somebody that never pays for shipping. But like I said, once the overall price with the shipping is still a decently priced bag, and for what I want to use it for overall, like when I compared it to other like brands, even Marc Jacobs, like the leather bags, it's still cheaper than the Marc Jacobs leather bags. It's still cheaper than some of the Kate Spade bags that I saw, and some of the Coach bags. So overall, I think it was a really good price point, and I would say the security program is the best way to grab this bag, and it's the best way to buy multiple bags. It actually will probably work out cheaper buying multiple bags because you're only paying one shipping cost. But yeah, that is just my thoughts on that. But I'm going to end this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know how you feel about Telfar. I know it's super popular in the US. I feel like people have it in the UK, but it's not as popular. So I know for sure that like if I was on the underground train, that I'm not going to see everyone with this bag, whereas with the Marc Jacobs tote bag, I can definitely see like a few people rocking that bag. So I'm really happy that I picked this up, just because it's different and it's not super popular here just yet. I'm sure it's definitely going to pop off, and I've seen a few people, but it's just not as big here as it is in the US. So I'm really excited about this bag. Let me know what you think. Do you love it? Do you hate it? Do you have any color variations? I'm a neutral kind of girl, so let me know if there's any color that you think I might like. I just went with black because it was the easiest option. But I'm going to end this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.